Nakul, coming back to you. So you again are doing fabulous work. You're doing fabulous job in the last 5 rounds. In the sixth round, also you're doing fabulous work. So Nakul, you said some state governments are coming and joining hand in EasyGov, right? So, and how old is EasyGov?
This is 6 year old now.
6 year old. So, how many states are linked to EasyGov?
So right now, four states: Bihar, Karnataka, Assam, Chhattisgarh, and Tripura also. So in Tripura, we are not doing end to end. There we are just showing eligibility. However, in MyGov, which is Prime Minister Modi's initiative, we are also available on MyGov. We were part of government of Haryana and government of Bihar earlier. So this is like the overall portfolio we have.
So MyGov, like in other words, MyGov competes with EasyGov. Is that right?
In a way, yes. So
Okay.
MyGov not exactly competes. They use our solution, our white label instance, Meri Sarkar Mere Dwar, and they provide free eligibility only.
Eligible, whether you're eligible or not. So there is
Correct,
basically the
absolutely.
first check of whether
Correct,
you're eligible for entitlement or not.
correct.
So do you take data from MyGov?
No, so this is very important aspect, of EasyGov.
Tell us the process
Uh,
if you can. Tell us the
yes,
process.
yes. So since you're talking about privacy, and I was wondering about how come we can afford not to ask how data is managed in EasyGov. So because we are taking very sensitive data from the user, and we need to keep it as secure it should be. So there are few things, these days. If you have heard about government scams, earlier it was different kind of scam, but now this is data driven scams. Like all the scholarship scams you see, the right candidate is applying for the scholarship, but the bank account in which amount is going is not relevant. It doesn't belong to the right candidate. So similarly, different government officers, they process the applications such that the benefit is going in the people, in people account who are not actually entitled, but they're made entitled. So we need to have some mechanism where data verifies data, where we are able to find out error of inclusion and error of exclusion. That too, the data is kept inside government's control. So for none of our client, we cannot access none of users data. Data is a property of state government and is kept as secure as it should be. Interestingly, we don't even ask users name for any eligibility or anything. There is absolutely no data linked with it, and we are the first company who implemented right to forget. So if you come on our platform and you want to you want that we should forget you, will actually forget you. There would be no traces of your information available on the system.
Super, super. You mentioned that it is the EasyGov platform is Aadhaar stacked.
Aadhaar, yes. So Aadhaar Vault, we are integrated with the Aadhaar Vault in some states, through which we identify what are the identifiers of the information. So we
Okay,
never keep the data, we keep identifiers.
okay, okay.
So we have hash of Aadhaar to pull your information from Aadhaar seeded place. Instead of having that data in our domain or in our servers, we just keep the pointers. And on demand basis, we fetch the data, which is actually consent based. So we don't store any users' data.
Got it, got it. So you have your own servers. You don't believe any other outside cloud server.
No, we host our application on SDCs in general in different government. But in Chhattisgarh, we might be going with Geo Azure.
Oh, okay, superb. That's good. So you have which place in India do you have your servers?
So the different state governments provide us servers in their respective data centers.
Okay, okay, okay. And so do you put your own security layer on the server or?
Absolutely.
Okay,
It is like N-way security, as mentioned by Hitesh. This is layer to layer security. Each layer has to secure, itself from, leakage of any type of data.
wonderful. Excellent,
So
excellent.
definitely, we are in a domain where, any leakage would be simply, finishing the company's reputation. So government, it would be very hard for government to trust us in that case.
Super. So you also mentioned that this platform also helps reduce corruption. Now, for
Correct.
example, if let's say a person who's entitled for his or her benefit, let's say farmer benefits, and
Correct.
the money is being given to the farmer, how do you want to stop the kickbacks? the farmer is going to again give back to the issue, the guy who is issuing the money and
So
all
it
of
would be, a simple dedupe check would probably do that. But, those are not actually the threats. Duplications are not the threats actually in the government. However, the threats are the wrong person, because of wrong intention, is given money.
Okay.
In EasyGov, the data, so the person who is verifying the application doesn't know whose application this is and for what purpose it is.
Okay.
So say there is some application in which caste needs to be verified. The caste, along with KYC, would be sent to the person to verify. He cannot know for which type of application or which application or for which benefit I am actually approving it. So
Super.
he just need to he just need to verify that this person holds this caste or not. That's it.
Got it. So in the last 6 years, Nakul, how many people, first question, how many people have gotten their entitlements and how much money has been dispersed through EasyGov?
So I'm not really sure about the money part, because there are several channels involved in it, like DBT, and sometimes it is direct cash transfer. But as far as entitlements are concerned, this has crossed now 10 billion now, 10 million now. So and particularly we got our pace in last 2.5 years, and right now we are serving like close to 2 million users every month.
Very good. In the last 2.5 years, this has exponentially increased, primarily because
Correct.
Nakul has joined EasyGov in the last
Not because
2
of
years
it.
back.
It is because
No, it's okay.
Geo
It's okay.
backed us.
It's okay. You can accept it. I'm just praising you. I'm just praising you. Accepting it. You can say, yeah.
Okay, thank you. So it actually happened, in the same time.
Yes, I know. Great. Thank you so much, Nakul, for that. In